Hello everybody, so today I'm going to be playing Ice Cream Van, or Ice Cream Simulator? Ice Cream Van? I don't know. I don't have everything, I just need two more things. Two more vehicles, I don't know what. Two more things, three. But I'm going to be showing you Ice Cream Van Simulator. There's the map. I'm going to be showing you the thing. I'm going to be showing you what I have. But like, I'm not going to equip the other ones. I'm not going to equip the lower ones. I'm just going to stay on, like, equipped on what I have. And I'm going to be showing you this game. That. Oh, loading. That's a horn. There you go. Oh, and that's my brother right in front of me. So here's the equipment shop. I'm going to be showing you the equipment and ice creams. This is what I have. Just gotta load. There we go. So here's what you start out with. It's a single tray. You can. Okay, well. You start with the triple tray. Oh, my brother said hi. I'm gonna say hi back. Okay, so that's the single tray. Here's the triple tray. It's the exact same. So if you have enough money, like this is 200. You start out. You can have 3 different lollies on here. Here's the box. You can have 1, 2, 3, 5 lollies. And also you also get 2 new lollies. I'll be showing you those later. Here's the trolley. You get new types of ice cream. Here's the bike. You get 2 new types of ice cream. And it's a vehicle. Here's the van, what I have. You get those ice creams. Here's the electric lorry, or in the US, electric semi-truck. See, it's huge. So I have seen some people's, and it's not blank on the side. It has your Roblox name, and then apostrophe S ice cream. Then it has a picture of you, like your account. Here's the boat. I honestly have no clue what the differences are. Here's the airplane. I think you get new things. You get new things on the boat and airplane. Looks like you get milkshake on the boat. 800 million. Well, now time to show you the ice creams I have. Well, there we go. And I have a lot of money. So, ice cream person. So when you start out, you only have the vanilla lolly, ice cream lolly, chocolate lolly, lemon lolly, cherry lolly, apple lolly, banana lolly, and orange lolly. Then when you buy the trolley, you get the bubblegum lolly. When you get the box, you get bubblegum lolly and watermelon lolly. When you get the trolley, you get vanilla cone, strawberry cone, chocolate cone, lemon cone, cherry cone, apple cone, banana cone, orange cone. Yeah, these kind of cut off of there. Then when you buy, I think it's the van. Yeah, when you buy the van, you get bubblegum cone, watermelon cone, then the vanilla, then all of this regular stuff, vanilla to watermelon cream. So I'm going to be showing you, so I can't show you the lollies because the van doesn't allow any lollies. So I'm going to be showing you cones and the cream. So I have $8.2 million because people pay too much money for ice cream. So I'm gonna get one watermelon cream, one bubblegum cream, and a watermelon cone, bubblegum cone, some more of each. Oh, then I'm gonna show orange cone. People pay a ton of money for this ice cream. It's just crazy. You can push shift to go fast. So that's the bike. I have the van. Ah. Here's the van. You can drive it. I didn't know about that. I didn't know about that. Please stop. I didn't know about that. Ah. There you go. I honestly did not know about that. I guess it's different because the bike, it says bike bells. Oh, and also, if you don't have a vehicle, you're not allowed in here. But since I have the van, which is a vehicle, I can go. But as I said, the bike is a vehicle, but you're not allowed to go over here. Yeah, the guy said that's the wrong class, so you have to wait until you have 6 million. You have to have the van, which is $6 million, and the lorry or semi-truck. Because I have 2 orange, and I've got to show you how much these people are paying me. It's crazy, so click. They also make weird noises. See, that guy paid me $60,000 on one ice cream. That's just crazy. Sounds like Glinda from Gravity Falls. If you watch Gravity Falls. But that's the overview. Over here is where the watermelon and bubblegum. So I've got a lot of ice cream. Everyone, you're welcome. Did you see how much money that guy paid?
Yummy!
See, these people are paying too much on ice cream. But
Yummy!
and click.
Yummy! Yummy!
You have to click on the people. And there's 3 more ice cream. Oh, for the red. Okay. No, you're welcome. I'll be showing you the areas for when you don't have the van. I need to show them how much money the watermelon cream gives you. Earlier I had a bunch of those watermelon cones. Well, since I can't find any people for
Yummy!
watermelon,
Yummy!
I'll just show you
Thank
the blue.
Thanks!
Welcome! Just gotta love that ice cream. Gotta be Glinda, I guess. What's so bad about being Glinda?
Thank
You're welcome. Now I'm gonna go show you where to go to go get the watermelon and bubblegum before you have a vehicle. And if you want to save a lot of time, just click delete a spawn. Teleports you to the spawn area. You just get spawn vehicle. Kind of like creeps up right next to you when it spawns. So you start out with that single tray if you noticed that. Why do people always have to try to steal my van? It's true, they try to steal it. Once I was just buying ice cream, and people were just trying to get in it and trying to get in the driver's seat. So let that be a warning. There's two ways. I'm going to show you the first one. But the people are only in this area till you get the. See, don't get mixed up with those people because they make noises and their bubble becomes red when you get their order on it. Ha. So follow where I went. Get out of here. What the? I didn't know that could make it through. And look. Oh, dang it. There aren't any blues? No. There's only reds. Well.
Yummy.
Now look. A guy's about to give me a ton of money. Look. $14.5 million. Look. See? That's the lorry. The semi. I need a blue. Yes. Ah, dang it. I need 2 blues. For YouTube. For YouTube. Give it. You're on. Look. Dang it. You know I'm trying to sell these for YouTube. I feel sorry for him. Any blue people up here? Aha! Blue! Shift can speed you up. No! Dang it! Well, I need the blue. I need a blue person fast. It's just up here. Oh, you don't have to go inside. You can just yes.
Yummy.
$8.8 million. These people are spending way too much money on ice cream. No one should spend over. No one should even spend $100 on ice cream. That's just weird. So let me go. Oh wait, I can just go. Tell you to spawn. So that's a single tray. That's a bike. Hey, look, it's my brother buying ice cream. I don't know if he knows he's on YouTube right now. I don't know for sure. He's buying his ice cream. So I have $26.9 million. Yeah! And if you notice that thing, you hear a toot in it. Listen. Orange. Oh, I don't have enough. 1.6 million. There you go. I'll buy this. Oh, I don't have any inventory space. That's lame. I can just buy a ton of those. I don't have any more inventory space. Well, 11 people are gonna pay me $300,000. Look.
Thanks.
Oh, $1.9 thousand. Luckily, welcome.
Yummy. Thanks.
People here. Keep talking.
Yummy.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
You're welcome. And have a great day to you.
Thanks. No, I don't want that.
No! I don't want that. Happy! So the strawberry people, I'm just gonna run. I don't have time for my van. Alright, here.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Yep. Oh. Yeah, YouTube. Oh. That was weird. I'm just gonna go.